Hey guys, it's Pauline here from Aluratek. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of our eco4life Smart Home Wi-Fi security camera. First I'm going to go over what's inside the box and then go from there. First you'll be receiving one of our quick start guide manuals, which will show you how to set up and install the device. Next you'll be receiving one Wi-Fi security camera as shown here, one 3M mounting foam tape, and one USB cable and one power outlet to power your device. In order to use this device, you're going to be needing a couple of different things. First, you'll be needing a smartphone, whether it's an iOS system or an Android system, to download the free eco4life app. Next, you'll be needing a mobile network connection or a Wi-Fi network connection. Now, onto the actual camera itself. This camera is to be used indoors only and not outdoors. I highly recommend getting a camera if you're looking to step up your security game. Whether you want to monitor your pets while you're at work, or maybe you want to monitor your home from time to time, or maybe you're out on vacation. You can do just that with this security camera. This camera has a live streaming mode, so you can see what's happening throughout the entire day. You can also record parts of the live stream with a micro SD card, which by the way does not come with this package. You can speak into this camera and you can also speak into your phone as well. This camera has a motion detection sensor, so every time motion is detected, a notification is sent straight to your phone. What's great about all of our eco4life smart home products is that no hub is required, so you don't have to buy an extra hub. You can control everything straight from your smartphone. All of our smart home devices act as a total ecosystem. So whether you want just one Wi-Fi security camera, or you want to add in 2 more, and you want to add in 1 smart plug or a power switch strip, you can do just that. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Be sure to check out our other Aluratek eco4life smart home videos.